Good morning, we're at DGINS 2023. My name is Kieran Dooley, I'm from the Central Statistics Office of Ireland.
And I'm Markus Sovala, Director General of Statistics Finland.
Markus, Friday is European Statistics Day. What does European statistics mean to you?
My colleagues, my friends, my relatives, they ask me why I'm traveling so often, and I have explained them that I need to meet my colleagues very often because the statistics are by definition, they are comparable. So we need to be sure that the European statistical system works in every country and almost similar way.
And what do you think are the challenges facing European statistics?
Challenges are of course resources, but also on the European level it's a big challenge because the information is coming from very different sources in different countries. In Finland, like in other Nordic countries, we are very much based on our production on public register information. We are collecting very little information by ourselves. We are mainly relying registers of tax office, car registration information, register of different educational institutions and so on.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Markus. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kieran Dooley and I am at DGINS 2023 in Cork and I'm from the Central Statistics Office.
Hi, I'm Olivier Roderes. I'm the Head of International Strategy in Statistics Belgium.
Olivier, we're at DGINS 2023. This is like we pick a topic every year as we try to progress what's happening in European statistics. What does European statistics mean to you?
European statistics to me is the way to inform society and inform policy about every items which are people are connected with or people are dealing with in their daily life, and to have a way to compare the situation between each other, between different countries, and to have an objective and very well based system of comparable statistics.
And what do you think is the biggest challenge facing us as official statisticians in Europe?
The biggest challenge today is, of course, we have a redundancy, a lot of data which becomes available, not only at the public side, also at the private side. And to have access to all this data and to try to compile this data into a database which can be used to produce official statistics is one of the main challenges today.
Great. Thanks very much, Olivier.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kieran Dooley and we are at DGINS 2023 in Cork.
Hello, I'm Mariana Kotsova, Director General of Eurostat.
Hello, I'm George Simon Ulrich, Chief Statistician of Switzerland.
Mariana, George, this is European Statistics Day, it's DGINS. What does European statistics mean to you?
For me, European statistics is alive, it's a passion, sometimes it's a big challenge, but I could convince you that it's an exciting journey.
George?
Well, can I add more than what Mariana already was saying? I think the important element is that you have the right of having good qualitative information, that you can make a good decision based on this, statistics that is done by Eurostat from the country delivering the data to Eurostat.
I think I met you first, Mariana, about 11 years ago at our DGINS in Prague. How has European statistics changed over the last decade and where's the future?
Oh, now I have to remember where European statistics was in 2011, but a lot has happened and this is exciting in this profession because official statistics reflects life, and when life changes we must change as well. So you have seen how many changes we went through, digital transformation, not to mention the crisis, not to mention new challenges like climate change, for example. And during these years, we had to start producing faster, to be more relevant, to provide more granular data, but we also have more opportunities like new data sources, like new technologies, like new partners, like researchers, like other organizations. So it has been an exciting time, and we have been evolving because our main mission is to deliver data and information for good decision making.
And George, Statistics Switzerland is always to the forefront of change. Where do you see is the biggest challenges that's facing us now?
I think that the role of our work is changing. It's not anymore just producing statistics, which is incredibly important in uncertain time as we live, but it is also the role dealing with data, I mean, topics like data stewardship. Do we play a role there that the quality of data is an issue? Of course it is, and we play a role. And certainly it is also what can we learn out of that data, and that we bring our know-how that we have also to other parties. For that we have to go out of our sometimes silo, and I would say that we are right on a good way to play an important element in the democracy here in Europe and in the whole world. And I think that we remind us that the work what we do is for the public good, and I think this is an important element.
Great, thank you so much.
Thank you. Happy European Statistics Day to everybody.
Hi, I'm Kieran Dooley from the Central Statistics Office in Ireland.
I'm Elena from Spain, as President of Statistical Office of Spain.
I'm Francisco from Statistics Portugal.
So, Francisco, Elena, we're at DGINS 2023, it's European Statistics Day. What does European statistics mean to you?
I think statistics is a public good, and we are agree with that. And I think it's a good necessary for our democracy and to have better decision for the society.
And Francisco?
Well, it's a day where we celebrate the service that we provide to society, the public good that we provide. So it's important to show the truth, to show quality, and to inform the public and inform the decision making.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Kieran Dooley from the Central Statistics Office in Ireland. And
Jean-Luc Tavernier, head of INSEE, French Statistical Office.
Jean-Luc, we're at DGINS 2023 in Cork. It's European Statistics Day. What does European statistics mean to you?
Well, European statistics, not everything, but it's a lot for us. We estimate that in France that 2/3 of our statistical production is made under the umbrella of European regulations. But moreover, I deeply think that comparability is key more and more. And we need more and more comparable data. And that's why we have to talk to each other and to learn from each other.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Jean-Luc.
Welcome.
I'm Kieran Dooley from the Central Statistics Office in Ireland.
And I'm Geir Axelsen, Director General for Statistics Norway.
And I'm Elsa Dooley, General Director of Statistical Office in Albania.
Elsa, Geir, it's DGINS 2023 in Cork. It's European Statistics Day. What does European statistics actually mean to you?
Official statistics and European statistics is a foundation for a democratic society and for a meaningful public debate, for good decisions. So, and the European family, when it comes to creating good standards, new methods, it's really core for at least us in Statistics Norway.
Elsa?
And for us, it's a kind of the coordination role of the official statistics, as we are discussing for the coordination role within a country, and the European system play a coordination role through all the European countries, and as well from our countries, which are in the accession process.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kieran Dooley from the Central Statistics Office in Ireland.
My name is Dominic Roskut, President of Statistics Poland.
So Dominic, we're in Cork, it's DGINS 2023, it's European Statistics Day. What does European statistics mean to you?
That means a lot. Two things are most important, I guess. So one is that we can invest together in methodologies, technologies, and we can learn from each other. That's extremely important. The other thing is the harmonization that we do across the statistical systems, like national statistical systems, so that we can compare statistics. I think it's a big value, a big advantage of our European system, and compared with the other regions.
Brilliant. Thank you, Dominic.
Thank you.
I'm Kieran Dooley from the Central Statistics Office of Ireland.
I am Etienne Caruana, from Director General of the National Statistics Office of Malta.
I'm Arja Žigur, Head of the Statistical Office Latvia.
So Etienne, what does European statistics mean to you?
European statistics is a reminder for all our users and for all of us of the importance of official statistics. Official statistics are very important for decision making, they are very important for policy, and most important, they are independently produced. And obviously through that you can get very, very good policy which based on unbiased. And through that you distinguish between fake facts and obviously and sometimes fake news.
Brilliant. And it's great to have you back in Cork in DGINS 2023, paying back your hospitality from Riga many years ago. What does European statistics mean to you?
Thank you very much for the question, and I'm happy to be back in Cork because Irish colleagues from Statistical office is always it's close to my heart. But to add to what calling myself this official part, for me, statisticians and European statisticians are some way part of the family members who are working with data, who are ready to exchange their views and listen very carefully to each other.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. Hi, I'm Kieran Dooley from the Central Statistics Office in Ireland. Bud?
I'm Pádraig Dalton from the CSO in Ireland.
So, Pádraig, we're just wrapping up DGINS, it's European Statistics Day. What does European statistics mean to you?
I suppose it means very much the same as official statistics to me. I mean, our job is to provide evidence and insight for decision makers, whether it's policy makers, NGOs or the business community. And it's also about making sure that the people that live in our countries live in an informed society. And I think European statistics play a really important role in that. And the key part of that is the whole collaboration piece. I think the importance of the comparability of the data, Ireland with France, with Germany, with Italy, with all our member states is really, really important for decision makers. And I think the fact that we come together kind of collaboratively, we disagree about things, but after we have the debate, we kind of get to that point of, okay, how are we going to compromise? And we always eventually reach agreement. And I think that's a really good example of collaboration and action. And that's been my experience now, nearly 33, 34 years working in European statistics, that we find that space to collaborate, to come together and to reach agreement in the interests of decision makers at a European level, but also the citizens of Europe.
Great. And we've had a really good session over the last day and a half working through things. So where do you think the challenges for European statistics, like, what do we need to tackle?
I think you could talk about challenges with measuring the economies we live in, whether it's globalization or digitalization, or we could talk about some of the social challenges around gender identity and sexual orientation, and we can talk about climate change and energy. I think the biggest challenge for us is about harnessing the skill sets that we actually have across the European statistical system, because I think we have a really good system. We have great people working in the system, and I suppose it's trying to make sure we continue to collaborate, to work together, to make sure that our data is comparable across countries. I think to make sure that we can harness, the new innovations that are taking place, the new modernization pieces, whether it's, artificial intelligence, machine learning, the new data sources we're going to have access to, whether it's admin data sources or privately held data sources. I think we're at the cusp of a real kind of paradigm shift in official statistics and European statistics, and I think we have to work together to make sure we harness all of the opportunities, because an opportunity presents itself, and if you don't take it, the opportunity mightn't present itself for a number of years to come. So I think it's really important that we stay working together, we keep talking, and we work out ways to harness the benefits of the changes that are taking place.
Great. Thanks very much, Pádraig.
Thank you.